Hi, good day. This is Kent Lau Chee Yong. So we're going to show you how to use PowerQuery merge query. First step is to turn the data into an Excel table, just as what you've seen here. Sales tables is being uh, turned into and name it as sales database, and the products is also named as products DB. And once you've done this, we head to the data, change from table, click on the from table. Yes, from table. Right now we have this data here, right? And we just want to load it to connections, or it means that it load into the computer memory. So select only create connections. So we'll load this into a memory. And next we go to the products table as well, and do the same data from table. And then we just load it to a connections. Yes, that's it, right? So we have this and we have this. Now we go to the we just double click on the sales DB, right, to open up the Power Query editors. And what we do next is that we want to do a merging, right? So this will consider the left side, and then to see all the query, you can click on this, expanding it, right? Expand collapse. So expand this sales collapse, right? So select sales database, right? Because it's called left outer. You understand left outer in the coming videos. Merge query. Now that sales DB is called the left outer, and we want to look up the product name. Right, this is very similar to VLOOKUP, right? Based on the product IDs, you want to look up the product name. But here's the things, right? VLOOKUP is pretty hard to do when you not only look at the product ID but also the category. Two criteria at the same time. No worry, right? PowerQuery do it just like that, right? So how do you do that? Hold out the control key, select the category 1 and the brands. Yes, hold out control key, select category 1 and brands. And that's left outer. So we have so many rows, right? Now, why is it that doesn't match all together? You can see this is 23,000, this 25,000, right? So there's a matching between this product and the sales, but there is a 2,000 rows which are in the sales that couldn't match the product. So that is possible because some categories in the sales table, right, is not found in the products table. So let's click OK. And next, we're gonna expand this column. Select this, expand the column, right? Uncheck products, names and unit price. So we don't need this original column, right? Click OK. So we have the product name and the unit price. Okay. So assuming that we only stop this, right? We haven't done the unit price and the quantity, right? And we just had to close and load, right? And we miss a step. What can we do is that no problem. Double click on the sales database query. We come back to this, right? And we had to add column, custom column, right? Now notice on the right hand side, these are apply step. These are all the steps that Excel recorded for you. So let's head to add columns, custom column. Yes, here we type in sales amount. Here enter. We go to unit price times quantity Yes, unit price and quantity, you get the sales amount, right? Click OK. That's it, right? We just get times so fast. And now head to Home tab, choose Close and Load, Close and Load. But wait a minute. My sales table remained the same, right? Where is the product name? Well, all you need to do is just right click here, choose Load to, and ask Excel to load it to a new table in the new worksheet and click Load button. It takes a while, right? Because it's processing 25,000 rows. Yes, it's almost done. And that's it, right? It takes a while, right? 25,000 rows, it's loaded into a new worksheet. We just give a name. Let's call merge query. Just give that name, go query. Now, product name, right? Shampoo 1.5. It's called for Colgate, right? So we go to the products here, for Colgate shampoo 1.5, right? Now we just change to 3. We just say hair shampoo. So we have name it, right? So for Colgate is hair shampoo, right? We done it. Now go back to this, right? It's remained the same. So what should we do? Do we need to do the step again, right? The question is no, right? You can just right click here and you choose refresh. And next time we'll just see. Instantly, right? It's updated. How powerful is merge query? Thanks for watching.